Hey everyone, and welcome to What's on Your Plate. And today I'm going to show you how I feed a family of 4 in just under $25. So grab your glass of wine and let's get to cooking. We're going to be making my shrimp scampi with orzo and broccoli. So simple yet so delicious, it tastes like it came from a restaurant. The first thing I'm going to start off with is my shrimp. So I'm going to hit it with a teaspoon of salt, and I have a pound here. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of pepper. I'm also going to add lemon zest from 1 whole lemon. I'm going to give these a quick mix just to make sure everything's evenly seasoned. Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. I'm just going to hit it with a few tablespoons of flour, and that is that. I have my skillet set to about medium-low heat. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and then I'm also going to add in 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. While I have this going as well, I'm also cooking up my orzo pasta. I'm just going to start cooking my shrimp. I'm going to add them in one at a time. And I'm keeping them in an order so I can make sure which one I know to flip first. We're cooking these for about 2 minutes per side. That beautiful color is exactly what we're looking for here. Time to take these out. Let's get started on our sauce. So we are going to add a shallot. I'm also going to add in 5 cloves of garlic. Zest from 1 whole lemon. Red pepper flake for a little heat. We're going to add some white wine to the bottom of this, about a 1/4 cup. I'm also going to add the juice of 1 whole lemon. And I'm also adding in my broccoli. I have about 1.5 cups. Mix that all together. And here is where I add my heavy cream. About 2/3 of a cup. I'm going to add some of that pasta water I cooked my orzo in, about a 1/2 cup. It's gonna help thicken up the sauce and also help cook that broccoli down. I'm just gonna hit it with a little bit more salt, some pepper. I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley. At this point, I add my orzo. Add a 1/2 cup more of pasta water. 1 cup of Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, freshly grated. And now we add our shrimp back in. Some fresh chopped parsley. A little more Parmigiano Reggiano. Tell me this isn't a restaurant quality either. Like, come on, man.